Provide even distribution of carbon throughout, 25% more activated carbon. Ready to use. Install in seconds. Please note, this package includes bags of filter cartridges. Fits Minibow 1, Minibow 2.5 and Minibow 5. Replacement filter cartridge for Aqueon Mini Bow aquariums. Top reviews from the United States. Very good filters. This asks me to rate the suction power and are they easy to clean. These are disposable flow-through filters. They have no suction power and I toss them in the trash when they are dirty. They are good filters and at a reasonable price.